This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a GMC Terrain headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that needs a new bulb. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that headlight assembly out. You'll find two 10mm bolts on top of the assembly. Go ahead and remove those. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a bit snug, but it will slide out. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and pull it out. When installing the new bulb, make sure to twist it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Remember, always avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it aligns correctly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to secure it. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm everything is working properly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.